Installing your own bathroom vanity is a classic home improvement project that many homeowners can tackle with just a bit of preparation and patience. Whether you're trying to update an outdated bathroom or seeking a new look to match your tastes, setting up a new vanity can transform the space with both style and function. The question stands, can you really install your own bathroom vanity? The answer is yes, you can, with the right guidance, tools, and a willingness to learn. Let's walk through what you need to know so you can approach this project with confidence. First, consider your reasons for upgrading your vanity. Are you seeking more storage? Hoping to improve the look of your bathroom? Maybe your old vanity is showing signs of wear, or perhaps you're eager to create a more efficient layout. Whatever your motivation, installing a new vanity allows you to enhance not just the aesthetics, but also the practicality of your bathroom. Before you get started, take careful measurements of your space. Knowing the exact width, height, and depth you have to work with will ensure you choose a vanity that fits perfectly. Standard vanities come in all shapes and sizes, so bringing your measurements to the store, or when browsing online, will make selection easier and help you avoid any costly mistakes. Selecting the perfect vanity involves a few key decisions: the size, the style, and the material. Consider how much countertop space you'll need, the type of sink you want, and whether you prefer a freestanding or wall-mounted model. Think about the cabinet style, color, and countertop material as well. Home improvement stores typically display several models, so take the time to touch, feel, and visualize how each would look in your bathroom. As you place your order or prepare to bring your new vanity home, make a checklist of tools and supplies you'll need. For a typical installation, you'll want a tape measure, level stud finder, drill, screwdriver, adjustable wrench, silicone caulk, utility knife, and perhaps a pry bar. Depending on your existing plumbing and the specifics of your bathroom, you may also need flexible supply lines, a P-trap, shut-off valves, or other plumbing components. To start your project, shut off the water supply to your bathroom. Usually, you'll find shut-off valves under your existing sink. Turn these clockwise until the water stops running. If your valves are old or stuck, you may need to turn off your home's main water supply. Once that's handled, open the faucet to relieve any remaining water pressure. Next, disconnect the plumbing. Place a bucket under the pipes to catch any water, then use your adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the nuts securing the supply lines and P-trap. Take care not to damage the plumbing. If parts look corroded, now is a great time to replace them. You're now ready to remove the old vanity. If it's secured to the wall, use your screwdriver or drill to remove any screws or brackets. Gently score the edges where the vanity meets the wall with a utility knife to break the seal of caulk or paint, which will help you avoid damaging the drywall. With some help, lift the old vanity straight out and set it aside. Inspect the wall and floor for any signs of water damage or mold. It's essential to address any issues before installing your new vanity, as leaks can cause costly problems down the road. With the area clear, locate the wall studs using your stud finder. Knowing where these are will allow you to secure your new vanity solidly in place. If your new unit includes a separate countertop and base cabinet, set the base in position and check its alignment with a level. Shim the base as needed so it sits flat and doesn't rock. Mark the wall through the mounting holes on the back of the vanity to indicate where screws will go. Drill pilot holes as needed, then secure the cabinet to the wall with long screws driven into the studs. Double-check your work. Your unit should feel solid and stable. If your vanity is floating or wall-hung, ensure you're anchoring it to sturdy framing to bear the weight. With the base securely in place, you can attach the countertop if it's a separate piece. Some countertops require adhesive or caulk to keep them in place. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for best results. Set the sink into place, securing it according to the instructions. Run a bead of silicone caulk around the edges to create a watertight seal where the countertop meets the wall and sink meets the countertop. Reconnect your plumbing. Attach the faucet to the sink and connect the water supply lines, making sure everything is tightened just enough to prevent leaks without over-tightening, which can crack pipes or fittings. Install the new drain assembly, secure the P-trap, and check all connections for water tightness. Turn the water supply back on and test your new faucet and drain. Look for leaks and make adjustments as necessary. Add the finishing touches. Use silicone caulk along the backsplash and countertop edges to prevent water from seeping behind the vanity. Wipe away excess caulk with a damp cloth for a clean finish. If your vanity includes drawers, cabinet doors, or hardware, check alignment and make any tweaks needed so drawers glide smoothly and doors close fully. Give the whole area a thorough cleaning and step back to admire your handiwork. Some homeowners prefer to paint the wall behind the vanity before installation for a clean finish. If you plan to change the position of your plumbing, or if your new vanity requires significant modifications to piping or electrical outlets, it may be wise to consult a plumber or electrician. However, in most standard replacements, these steps aren't necessary. Installing your own bathroom vanity is absolutely within reach for most people with basic DIY skills. It offers immediate rewards, enhanced storage, improved appearance, and the satisfaction of having completed the project yourself. Just remember, patience and attention to detail are your best tools. Take each step one at a time, and don't be afraid to ask for help if needed. Now, as you gaze upon your updated bathroom, you can enjoy both the upgraded functionality and the knowledge that you took on a hands-on project that improved your home. Not only is it possible to install your own bathroom vanity, it might just be one of the most satisfying renovations you can perform yourself.